In this rapid sprint, a seasoned pro guides viewers through turning a raw log into a sculpted vase with clean stops and satisfying shavings. It blends beginner steps like rough cuts and sanding with advanced tricks, such as hollowing and preserving grain for dramatic contrast. Close-ups capture tool acoustics, dust bursts, and the precise fit of a hidden joinery panel that adds strength without bulk. The video teases achievable goals with quick DIY gifts and sells the craft as accessible yet professional. Viewers are urged to try the technique, like, subscribe, and explore more detailed builds on the channel.